Good morning everyone and welcome to Pepper just... Are you snoring? Good morning everyone and welcome to my most highly requested video ever. I don't know why, but it is, and it is what I eat in a day. So I've got for my breakfast and I'm going to show you what I eat. I'll get yours in a minute. If you've watched any of my vlogs, then you'll know what I have for breakfast. I literally have porridge and I top it with fruit and nuts. So that is what I'm going to go and make now. And here is my breakfast porridge. So we've got raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, almonds, blueberries, banana and a bit of jam. And of course we've got my oat milk coffee. I always have oat milk whenever I have coffee. I didn't shake it very well this time today, but yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead, eat that. I've got a workout and then I'll check back in with you when it comes to making my lunch. That is honestly the best breakfast ever. If you like porridge, you need to try this. So good, and it will keep me full till like 2:30, and that's with doing a intense workout. Okay, so it is 10 to 11 and I'm on to my second coffee of the day. This is with oat milk. Yeah, it's going to be a long day, so I don't normally have another coffee this quick, but breakfast was at 6:30, so yeah, so breakfast was at 7:30, sorry, not 6:30. So just having a little pick me up. I'm quite cold today, so I'm just having that. And then I've just had some like orange juice, but that's not really eating anything. I'm gonna get ready for the day. I've got to shoot a video, take some content pictures, and then I'll make a nice little lunch. Also, I feel like my meals and stuff are going to be really extravagant in this because I went shopping yesterday, so yeah, I've got loads of good food in. But yeah, I'm just going to drink this, get cracking, and I'll see you at lunchtime. So for lunch, my mum has whipped me up a lovely tuna salad. I've just put on some coleslaw and some potato salad because the last date was today, so it had to be used up. And I'm also just hard boiling 1 egg to add to it. And there you have it. My lunch is served. And that is my attempt at the salad. It was really big, to be fair. Plus, I really fancy some chocolate or something yummy because we had shopping yesterday, so I'm gonna have either, I don't know if to have either some chocolate fingers or shortbread. This is what happens when you get in charge of going shopping and you buy all the bad things. So I snapped off a bit of chocolate, and annoyingly someone else had taken the other 2 squares and I was gonna only have a line, so I got 3 squares. It's what it is. So I'm just going to munch this, crack on, and I'll check back in with dinner. I don't know what I'm going to cook. Can't quite decide, but yeah. See you at dinner, unless I decide to have a snack, which I probably will because I love eating. Okay, so I've been shooting all day, all sorts of things, and now it's time for dinner. So for dinner I'm going to make spaghetti bolognese, but obviously a vegetarian one, so I just use a corn frozen mince. It's really, really nice. But I'll show you how I make it, and yeah. I'll put you here. Okay, so I have to apologise for the lighting, but I'm so sorry. So I'm going to start by just putting a little bit of oil. And then while that's like getting warm, I cut my onion. And I'm going to cut up 2 garlic cloves. This one's really little, but I use garlic paste as well, so doesn't matter. So okay, so I just cut up 1 garlic clove, no, 2 garlic cloves and 1 onion. Just gonna let that onion cook. And then I'm going to start adding everything else. So now that's all cooking, I'm going to add in my meat. So I'm going for corn mince. And this is the frozen one. I just add the whole bag frozen. And just break up any lumps and let that cook. Okay, so now all of the mince is like pretty much cooked. Well, there are still some frozen bits, but that's fine because it's going to be on a heat for ages anyway. I'm going to add a tin of chopped tomatoes. So I've also got all my herbs and everything here. So I'm going to add 1 tin of chopped tomatoes. And while that's all simmering, I'm going to go ahead and add in my chopped tomatoes. You don't have to add these, but I always do. And you can add as many or as little as you like. I just finished off the packet because it needed finishing. Then I'm going to go in with my garlic paste, and I don't measure this. I literally, if you like garlic, then just, you know, add in however much you want. I'm also going to add in my bay leaves as well. Just stir them in to get the flavours going. Yeah, so I'm just going to add in quite a lot of garlic paste because I love garlic. And then obviously, because I don't eat meat, I'm not going to be putting in any normal OXO cubes. So I use these like little vegetable cubes from Nos or whatever it is. So I just put one of those in. And then I'm going to go in with tomato puree. So when I do tomato puree, my brother taught me this. I don't know if like this is what you're meant to do, but I open a little hole in the middle of the pan, and then I put my tomato, again I just kind of eyeball it, I don't measure it. You put your tomato puree in the middle of the pan, and then you let it get really hot, and then you mix it in. He taught me that. I don't know if that's what you do, but it's what I do now. And then I go in with my herbs. So oregano is like a classic for spaghetti bolognese. I again just sprinkle it on. I don't measure. I feel like these kind of meals you never really measure, you just kind of go with it. Just mix all that in, and I feel like you can kind of gauge the smell of what it smells like. Oh, it smells so good. And then basil. And I always add a tiny bit of rosemary. You're not necessarily meant to, but I always just add a little sprinkle because I love it. with like mince meat, even though this isn't mince meat, but you know what I mean. Okay, so now that that is all cooking, I'm going to put it on a low heat, so like 4, and then I'm going to put my spaghetti in. Yeah, and that's basically it. I'll show you it when it's all served up on the plate. But also, this is so healthy. So basically, this is like the healthiest meal ever. Obviously, you've got spaghetti, which isn't, but this is literally all just really high protein. There's like barely any fat, no soy, no gluten, and it's obviously vegetarian. So, yeah, anyway, I'm going to tidy up, and then my spaghetti should probably be ready, and we can eat. And there you go, that is my dinner, topped with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. So I'm going to munch this, and I'll check in with you when I have snacks. For some reason I haven't cooked my dinner. Like normally I don't eat until about 7, 8, and it's literally not even 6 o'clock yet and I haven't eaten my dinner. So, yeah, so wow, early dinner, which means there's definitely going to be some snacks. I've got Ben & Jerry's ice cream. Oh my god, I think I might have to eat that. But yeah, so check in with you when it comes to dessert, I guess. Okay, so I've just come downstairs to have some dessert. It's now 8:30. I'm gonna have some Ben & Jerry's fish food ice cream. If you know about this ice cream, then you'll know that there isn't any other ice cream in the world that tops it. And there we go, my final snack of the day. Okay guys, so I'm going to end the video here with my ice cream. For some reason that was such a highly requested video. Every time I've asked, what do you want to see from me, it's my workout routine or what I eat in a day. And I feel like someone maybe was thinking they was going to get some like miracle meal plan or something, but honestly I just eat basically whatever I want to eat, but I just make sure I work out a lot, which then enables to me to kind of like eat what I want. But to be honest, I mean, not every single day I have Ben & Jerry's fish food and ice cream in the freezer, but 9 times out of 10 if I'm not having that, I'll have like a line of chocolate or something, because we've always got chocolate in the fridge. I'll have like a couple squares of chocolate, or I don't know, I'm just always, I forgot to say actually, I'm drinking a Pepsi Max as well. But yeah, that is it. That's the exciting secret out. I mean, obviously I have different meals some days, so if you want me to do this again, I can do that. Do you know what? Breakfast was so long ago. I got up so early. It feels like it was a different day. I was up this morning at 6:45. Oh. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was very requested, so I hope I did good and that you liked it. But yeah, if you want to see any more videos from me, then please don't forget to subscribe. If you did enjoy this video, then please give it a massive thumbs up. Head over to my Instagram and give me a follow over there. I'm always posting outfit content and pictures, like makeup pictures. I'm doing polls on my Instagram stories, always get you guys involved. So yeah, I will see you soon for another video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you very soon. Bye.